In this video, I'll show you the survey capabilities in iBwave Wi-Fi for PC. You can find the survey capabilities on the right-hand panel and under the Survey tab in the main menu. I'll show you how to collect a trace and how to use a tool called NetScan. NetScan is very useful when you're troubleshooting in certain locations. Let's start the tool. As you can see here, I have a passive option and an active option. First, I will do a passive scan. Let me click on Continue Scanning. This will give me in real time the available networks in the area. We can see the band used, and we can see which channels are used, the bandwidth, the technology, and we can see the co-channel interference and overlapping channels right here. As you can see on channel 1, depending on the time, there are other overlapping channels, or one overlapping and another interfering channel. We also have an active option. I'll stop the passive survey first. For active surveys, we need to have a server configured. This server is included with the iBwave Wi-Fi installation. It's called the Active Survey Server. I can click Start to start the active survey, and you can see here that it generated an IP address. I can click on it to copy it to the clipboard, and then I can paste it under my server configuration. Then I can click on Continue Scan. Here we can see the packages being sent. It takes a bit of time depending on the network speed. Right now I'm running the server on my PC. It's a bit slow because I have a 10-second period between packages. This can be changed. For example, I can stop it and customize the period interval, the direction such as download or upload, and the protocol such as TCP or UDP. Now let me collect a few samples. By clicking this icon called Collect in the Survey tab, we will open a configuration window called Wi-Fi Data Collection. If we are using the internal adapter, we have only one option for the survey mode. It's basically VLAN scan. I have the choice of doing an active survey or a passive survey. For this purpose, we will do a passive survey. Let me click Run and collect a few samples. You can see that it takes a while to read all the channels. As I'm not really walking, you can see that all the points have more or less the same values. I can stop here. Another method that is available uses a new algorithm. It supports a more customized way of collecting survey using multiple dongles. Since I don't have many USB ports available, I will show the use of one adapter. It works well with up to 4 adapters. So I just plugged in one of my adapters. Then I'll click on the plus sign over here to collect the new data. And here you can see that I have the Netgear external adapter, which supports the level full. And now I can toggle between the survey data using the VLAN scan or the new passive survey that is more customizable. As you can see, I can change the time to scan. The default value is 150 milliseconds. Or I can change the different channel configuration in 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. I can also input whatever channels I want to scan. For example, from 1 to 6, and let's say channel 36 and 40 of the 5 gigahertz. Now I'm going to select the box in front of it and click OK. Then click Run. Now let me collect a few samples again. I don't have 5 GHz radios around, so as we can see here, I only collected the 2.4 survey data. It works similarly if I add an extra network adapter. It would appear over here, and I would be able to customize it with a different channel configuration and a different time to scan. This concludes our demonstration on iBwave Wi-Fi for PC. Thank you.